Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure iCloud Calendar or other accounts are toggled on so events sync. Once done, open Calendar and pick the view that fits your workflow: day for detail, month for overview. Now tap the plus button to create an event, give it a clear title and pick start/end times. Explain why. Syncing keeps entries across devices, and choosing the right view reduces scheduling errors. Next, you'll refine invites, alerts, and locations. Now you add meaningful details to make events actionable. Add a location so calendar links to maps and shows travel time. This helps you leave on schedule. Invite participants by entering emails or contacts. They'll receive an invite and RSVP. Set alerts for reminders. Combine 2 alerts for early prep. Use repeat to automate weekly, monthly, or custom recurrences, and choose an end date when relevant. These steps reduce manual upkeep and prevent missed appointments. Finish by reviewing the event summary and tapping Done so changes save and propagate via iCloud or other accounts. Make sure the event appears on your other devices. This confirms sync. Consider sharing entire calendars for teams or family and assign colors to improve scanning. If something goes wrong, first confirm calendar sync is enabled, check the default calendar, and ensure a network connection. Then refresh or sign out and back into the account if needed. That fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.